Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add Sapphire plugin to Adobe After Effects. In order to do that, head over to floresfx.com. And then once you have that, you should be able to see this. So scroll down from in here, and in here you can see this Sapphire. Head over and click on that. And then after that, it will open you to this new page that will have the Sapphire artist choice. So you can avail the free trial, or you can also just download or buy it now. So just choose which one you want. So you can also see in here the host. So you can choose the host right here for Adobe and OFX or also for the host. It actually change your price depending on which one you want. Now choose in here the license type as well. It can be subscription, it can be perpetual license, it can be upgrade and support renewal. For this one, let's choose subscription. And in here you can see the price. Just head over and click on this add to cart option. It can be an annual or monthly as well. And then click on this checkout option. After you have checked it out, just head over and then follow the on-screen instruction in order to add it to your actual Adobe After Effects. So that's how you add Sapphire plugin to Adobe After Effects. I hope this video helped you out.